Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a website on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my website right now, and to create a new site, I'm just going to go ahead and click on my profile icon in the bottom left, and that's going to get me to my dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is click create a website, which I'm pretty sure you could have guessed, but once you click this, this will then let you choose your template for your new site. Now, for certain uploads or for certain site creations, it will give you the option to use AI or certain recommendations. But as you can see here, you can search through templates like I can. As you can see, you have other products which you can browse here at the top. But yeah, under templates, you can pick and choose whichever one you would like. For example, I can click portfolio and I can upload my portfolio just by clicking on this. And this will give me a portfolio template. I'll choose another color scheme. And once you've chosen what you want, actually, let me change it up and let me choose this one. As you can see, I can use this design to my leisure. I'll change up the tones a bit as well, and then click start with design, and this will set up your website, which you can then make changes to. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. This will then bring you to your website's editing page or your config page, which you will then be able to see in just a second. I'm not sure why it's taking this long to set up. It usually doesn't. For me, it usually takes about 10-15 seconds to set everything up, and I'm not sure why this is taking so long, or rather it takes usually even less than 10-15 seconds, so I'm kind of confused as to why this is happening. But it doesn't matter. I'll just leave that setting up. But pretty much, let me just open one of my websites and show you what it's going to look like once it loads everything up. As you can see, once I open this up, this is the editing page which you can use for your site, which should look something like this. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.